Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So Roblox absolutely freaking destroyed, man. This is insane. I'm pretty sure this was right after earnings. This is because of earnings. I don't know how much their actual revenue came into. I'm assuming it's really good because of this run up. You did have a gap that got created here, but you broke trend, right? So I can definitely see Roblox, keep the momentum on the high side, especially since it's tried to break bear triggers here multiple times, and it consistently keeps running. I would not be surprised to see Roblox continue its run, to the upside, right? Definitely would not surprise me at all. It already easily broke, the 618 fib on 130. If it goes up to like 164, 160, 164, somewhere around this range, would not be surprised. Everything on Roblox looks bullish. The daily is starting to be a little weak on the bull side, but keep in mind, look at these candles, right? The blood, like the dark maroon candles, usually mean weakened movement on a stock. But what happened here, right? You actually closed the previous candle at 128, and now, while you have a weak bull candle on the reverse MACD, you actually closed higher at 134. So I'd say, usually what happens like that is you have these, right? I don't know if you guys can see this, but here, I'll show you guys here. Let me see. So usually when that happens, you see how on November 10th and November 11th, you had two weak bull candles, and then you had a really strong daily close right here, like a really bright red. That's usually an indication that another one like that is going to get created, right? So let me show you guys here, right? Weak candle, weak bull candle. More than likely, we're going to see another bright red candle right here. We can come back to this in the upcoming week, but more than likely when this happens, you see a really bright red candle get created, especially when you have price move like this. This is something I'll go over in another video for my Patreon members, because they have access to my reverse MACD indicators. But I think that I think Roblox is going to continue that movement up, right? Like I've told you guys before, never stand in front of a derailed train, right? It happened with GameStop. It happened with AMC. I got hurt on AMC for doing that. It was a dumb move. I tried shorting AMC while it was doing its initial run up to 70 bucks. And I'm like, oh, you know what? It's going to go down. It was my own fault, right? Because I tried shorting it while the train barely got derailed. So you never want to short a stock when you see this much strong bullish momentum, right? You want to wait for consolidation, something like this, and then you can decide, hey, the consolidation, the sideways trading, it actually looks weaker and weaker, so it might actually go back down instead of rerunning up to the upside, right? So you never short a stock while it's peaking like this until you actually see some sort, maybe of a small pullback, some sort of sideways trading. So Roblox definitely looks bullish. Would not be surprised to see Roblox at 164 by like early December, mid-December, possibly sooner, right? You guys know I like being safer. So if I were to buy a call for this, instead of buying it for a week or two out, I'd buy this for like a month and a half out, 2 months out, just to be safe, right? I like being conservative. I don't like being too risky with certain plays. So Roblox, definitely huge move to the upside. I think overall, I am a little bit bearish on Roblox, unfortunately, because of that gap. Gaps always get filled, whether you like that or not, right? There's like a 95% chance that gaps are going to get filled, especially with such a huge gap here from 78 to 93. It's almost a $20 gap, right? Like a $15-$20 gap right there. So I would not be surprised if eventually, you actually see Roblox, if you see a run to 164, eventually it'll come back down to like $78. If it ever does that, I am 100% buying in to Roblox. But keep in mind, there's a very strong chance that eventually, maybe months from now, maybe years from now, right, this gap is going to get filled. Do I think it's going to get filled today, or this week? Definitely not. But if it does, I'm loading up on Roblox, because I think Roblox from here has a huge potential to double all over again, right? If you ever see Roblox come down to this level in this gap, this is not financial advice, right? I don't want to say go do stuff with your money, but this is an easy 100% gain on your money, right? Roblox is such a strong contender in the gaming sector, right? If it does ever come down to fill this gap, if you are not buying Roblox at this gap fill, you're basically losing money. This is an easy double, easy 100% back to all-time highs. If it does reach, you know, super high levels, but you know, as of right now, I'm 100% buying in. If Roblox ever fills this gap right here, I still think it's going to like 160 plus, possibly in the next couple of days, more than likely maybe another month or so, but 100% bullish on Roblox. You know, it did really good on earnings, and I would not be surprised to see it up here like at 165 in like the next month or so. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.